everyone, I am Roshni and today with the Property Cloud, we are going to talk about a massive integrated township project near Sarjapur Road in Bengaluru, and the name of this project is Nambiar District 25. If you are looking for a future-ready township with a spacious home, modern lifestyle, infrastructure and strong long-term investment potential, then this project is definitely worth checking out. In this video, we will cover project overview, location and connectivity, amenities and lifestyle, pricing and configuration, booking process and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Nambiar District 25 by Nambiar Builders is a large-scale smart township spread across 100 plus acres with a future expansion planned up to 200 plus acres. Talking about the highlights, so the project offers luxury villa-style skyrise apartment with a thoughtfully planned layouts and a greenery-focused master plan. Around 40% of the township is being preserved as natural open space along with a plantation of over 3,500 native trees, creating a peaceful and nature-inspired living environment. The overall township planning focuses on spacious living, modern infrastructure and a long-term lifestyle convenience, making it ideal for both end users and investors. And now let's talk about the location and connectivity. So this project is strategically located at Muthanallur cross of Sarjapur Road, and the project enjoys strong connectivity to Bengaluru's major IT hub and business hub. So the Wipro Sarjapur is just approx 9 minutes away, Decathlon Sarjapur is just 10 minutes away, Karmelaram railway station is just approx 13 minutes away, RGA Tech Park is approx 14 minutes away, and Bommasandra metro station is just approx 21 minutes away. And one major future advantage here is the upcoming Swift City KIADB Tech Park right behind the project, and a proposed 1,000-acre hub of AI, fintech and startup, which is expected to drive strong appreciation in this corridor. And now let's talk about the amenities and lifestyle. So the Nambiar District 25 is designed like a self-sustained township where living, working and recreation all come together within one community. So this project offers Club Soho, which is approximately 2.5 lakh square feet clubhouse, which is spread across 7 acres, 25-acre retail zone with a mall, hotel and high street retail, 4 kilometers jogging and cycling track, football and cricket ground, basketball court, amphitheater. The project delivers a complete township lifestyle with a modern infrastructure and a premium lifestyle amenities. And now coming to the pricing and configuration. So the 2 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from approximately 1,195 to 1,279 square feet, and the starting price is 1.47 crore rupees onwards. Talking about the 2.5 BHK apartment, which is starting with a carpet area of 1,375 to 1,477 square feet, and the starting price is 1.69 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK is approximately 1,460 to 2,050 square feet, and the starting price is 1.86 crore rupees onwards. 3.5 BHK is approximately 2,002 to 2,095 square feet, and the price is starting from 2.54 crore rupees onwards. And lastly, talking about the 4 BHK, so it is starting from 2,400 to 3,000 square feet, and the price is starting from 3.08 crore rupees onwards. And finally, talking about the booking process, so the currently phase 3 expression of interest is open, while phase 2 has limited inventory available. Considering the rapid growth of the Sarjapur Road corridor, early stage investment in a large scale township like this can offer strong long-term appreciation potential. So for brochure, pricing details, payment plans, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.